Hey, Mike here from Mike and Lisa's Excellent Adventure. Got something today I want to show you. I got another project that never ends.
I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So Tad here has been, I've had this on my mind to replace the connection, electrical connection when we tow. So this is what's going on. It's coming apart. This is broke. I don't know if you can see that. And it just needs to be replaced. It still works. It just exposed like that. I don't like that. So I got a new one. Here it is. I got it from Amazon for, I think it was $6.99. And we're gonna take these apart and re-hook up a new one here. I'll show you how to do it. So we just have to loosen this screw and normally this screw, but there's no screw there because it's all broke off. As you can see, that's what it used to look like, a really small set screw. So we'll just undo this and it should come apart. If you push on the end here, it comes out, and then we'll undo all these wires, make note of where they go. Okay, we have green on one side and then brown, white, and yellow all connected on the opposite side. Let me write this down. Okay, I've made my little diagram. There's the set screw, there's the notch. These are the 6 connectors. Oh, and of course there's a connector right in the middle that nothing is connected to. So brown, yellow, white on that side, and then green on the opposite side. There, I've detached the 4 wires. I'm going to re-strip these and get some new ends on these. Don't forget to take the old one off. Work it through these wires here. Now before you reconnect the new wires, to the new piece, you need to put this on first. Don't forget to put this on. You gotta work the wires through there. Okay, we got it through there. Now we're going to reattach it to the new one. There, we got them all attached. Now we just push this back through, tighten her down. Just tighten this set screw and it'll hold. There we go. There's the finished product. Now let's drive the car over to the RV and plug her in and test her out. Yeah, it works good. Okay, that was a simple project that only took me 5 minutes. That was a simple project that only took me 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, hope it helped. Catch you on the next video.